Okay, hey guys, we are going to do an area model example right now. We'll do two of them. The first one we'll do a problem with no remainder, and the second one we will do a problem with remainder, so you can kind of see it on both ends. Again, this is one that works really well when you have a nice, easy, clean problem, but it starts to get a little messy going through. So after these two videos, I'm going to post videos of the box method, which is similar, but I think it's a little more user-friendly. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is show you a different screen. I'm going to show you what my DAC camera sees, where my whiteboard is. So let's see how this works. Okay, perfect. So you should still see me in the corner. And then, well, I guess I don't know where I am right now on your screen. But I do know we're solving this problem. Oh, look, my hand's in two places. I'm a little bored here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so this is the area model. The problem we're going to use is 5,360 divided by 5. I'm sorry if you hear Bam in the background. He's chewing on a bone. The first thing I want you to realize is the pieces of this problem have names. So let's do a little vocab real quick. So 5,360, that's the number we are breaking apart. That's called your dividend. And we are dividing that by 5. So the number you are dividing with, whether you are making groups of 5 or making 5 groups, I already used that color, is your divisor. And then the answer to our division problem, which we don't know yet, is our quotient. So here's how this works for the area model. We are going to separate 5,360 into its different place values. So that 5 is worth 500. No, that 5 is worth 5,000. Good catch, Ms. Willis. The 3 is worth 300. The 6 is 60. And the 0 is worth 0. So I'm not even going to bother putting it in right now. Now we're going to make a little grid under it. So each spot has its own place. And we are dividing this by 5. So what we have done here is we've taken our dividend and we've split it up across the top. If I add these three together, I'm going to get my original 5,360. And then my divisor, we're putting on the side, but we're keeping it the same. So that's still my 5 from here. So now this is a partial quotients problem, which means we're going to find smaller parts of our answer and then smushed all together to get our final answer. So we've broken this into 3 different problems essentially. First, I have 5,000 divided by 5. Well, let's start by covering up the zeros. What would 5 divided by 5 be? 1. And then how many zeros would we tack on the end? 3. So 5,000 divided by 5 would be 1,000. Now, Bam is barking at a bird. We are safe. It is fine. That bird is not getting in the house. So now let's look at 300 divided by 5. Can I cover up both zeros? I'm left with 3. If I have 3 cookies, can I share them without breaking them between 5 people? No. So let's add one more 0 back. What if I had 30 cookies? Yeah. If I shared 30 cookies with 5 people, each person would get 6 cookies. And we covered up 1 0, so we need to put it back. So 300 divided by 5 is 60. And then 60 divided by 5 is 12. So I've done 3 separate division problems. And just like we added these numbers together to get our dividend, we're going to add these partial quotients to get our final answer. So if I do 1,000 plus 60 plus 12, that gives me 1,072. So our answer for 5,360 divided by 5 is 1,072. We did it! Yay! One way we can check this is by multiplying. So to check it, let's multiply 5 times 1,072 and make sure we get what our dividend was of 5,360. So I'm just going to do it down here. Scoot that up a little bit for you guys. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 would be 36. 6 goes down, 3 goes up and over. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. And 5 times 1 is 5. Do they match? Oops, I scrolled down too far. That should match our dividend. And it does. Perfect. So our answer is 1,072. Okay, click to the next video so you can see the second example with the area model. And this one will have a remainder so you can see what that looks like. Oh, I never know how to end these. Let's do it this way. Okay, bye.